Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a record ID in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need just to go to any record. In this case of the tutorial, let's just go to a lead record. So from here, we can go, for example, to this lead. And from here, as we can see in the URL, we can find this ID here. So basically, this is the URL that is the Lightning, which is the interface or uh, the tool that we are using, the Salesforce. And from here, it is the type of object. And basically here, it's its own ID. And this is just the view or the interface. So if we go, for example, to tasks, we can go to any task and we need just to find any records. I'm just going to click on here. And basically, this would be the ID of this object or of this instance. And basically, that would uh, work on any objects that you have. If you have cases, also, you can, let's just create a new one quickly and give it a status. And I think it would be enough. Let's just give it an origin. And now we have this case. And as you can see, it will have its own ID. So basically, by going to any object or to any instance, you will be able to get their own ID only by going to their to the URL and simply you can copy this ID and you can search for it or do whatever you like using this ID. So basically, those are the ways, or it's one of way to get a user ID or the record ID of any record that you have in your Salesforce. So thank you for watching and see you next time.